Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making the storage obvious. Create a named variable like score or player name, then convert it to a cloud variable. You need to be signed in because cloud saving only works on logged accounts. Once done, initialize the variable at project start so it has a default value. This prevents nil or unexpected values. Make sure to name cloud variables clearly. Clear names reduce bugs and help you reference them in broadcasts and condition checks later. Next, wire the save action to a clear event, a button, a level complete broadcast, or a timeout. When you have multiple pieces of data, encode them into one text string using delimiters like or comma, because cloud variables store numbers or text. Once done, set the cloud variable to that encoded string in one operation to reduce race conditions. Also, make sure to space writes. Avoid spamming the cloud with rapid updates to prevent lost or rejected saves. Finally, load data at project start by reading the cloud variable and parsing it into your local variables. You should validate the parsed values so invalid or missing fields revert to safe defaults. Once loaded, update UI elements to reflect the restored state. If something goes wrong, implement a retry sequence with a short delay and show a clear message. This helps when network hiccups occur. Make sure to log or display the raw cloud string for easier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.